Hey guys, welcome back.
Today, we have a really cool story for you.
Yes, you'll listen to a story in 2 parts. It's about our friends, Lisa and Tom.
After the first part, we'll stop and learn some important words from the story.
We'll explain them, and then you'll practice with us, shadowing style.
And then you'll hear the second part of the story.
And guess what? You'll hear all those words again.
So you learn them, you practice them, and then you see them in action again. Pretty cool, right?
All right, let's jump in. Here's part 1 of the story.
Hi, Lisa. You look tired. Are you okay?
Hi, Tom. I feel a little under the weather today, but I have good news.
Really? Tell me.
I have a job interview tomorrow. It is a big opportunity for me.
Wow, that is wonderful. Where is the job?
At a small hotel near my house, they need someone to look after the front desk and help guests.
That sounds perfect for you. You are friendly and brave. You can talk to new people easily.
Thank you, Tom, but I'm nervous. I want to prepare well tonight.
Don't worry. You speak English very well. The interview will be a piece of cake for you.
I hope so. I need to remember all the important things: my name, my school, my old jobs.
Yes, and listen carefully to every question. Don't answer too fast.
Good idea. I always speak too quickly when I'm nervous.
Also, wear a clean shirt and nice shoes. First impressions are important.
Of course. My blue shirt is ready.
And promise me one thing.
What?
Promise me you will call me after the interview. I want to know everything.
I promise, Tom. I will call you.
Good luck, Lisa. You can do it.
Thank you so much. I feel better now.
Go home and rest. Drink some hot tea. Tomorrow is a big day.
You are right. I will sleep early tonight.
See you tomorrow evening?
Yes, I will tell you everything.
Okay, guys, did you hear those words? Let's learn them one by one now. Okay, guys, the first one is under the weather.
Under the weather. Is it about rain or something?
No, when you say I'm under the weather, it means you feel a little sick. Not very sick, just not good.
Oh, like when your head hurts or you feel tired and weak.
Yes. Remember Lisa? She said, I feel a little under the weather. She wasn't feeling great.
Got it. A nice way to say, I'm a little sick. Now it's your turn. Listen and say the lines with us. Don't be shy. Say it out loud.
Hey, you don't look so good. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm a little under the weather today. I think I need some rest.
I called Mom this morning. She's not coming to dinner tonight.
Oh no. Why not?
She's feeling under the weather. She said maybe next week.
Nice. Let's move on to the next one. All right. Our next phrase is interview.
This one is important. You heard it in the story, right?
Yes. An interview is when someone asks you questions, usually for a job. You sit down, talk about yourself, your skills.
Like Lisa. She has a job interview at the hotel.
Exactly. You can also have an interview for school or university. It's a formal meeting where someone wants to know about you.
Okay, everyone, listen and repeat with us. Come on, you can do it.
You look stressed. What's wrong?
I have a job interview tomorrow morning. I don't know what to wear. How was your day?
Long. I had 3 interviews at the office. I talked to so many people.
Great. Ready for the next one? Here's another useful one. Opportunity.
Ooh, I like this word.
An opportunity is a chance to do something good. A new job, a new class, a trip.
Like Lisa said, the job is a big opportunity for her.
Exactly. And people often say, don't miss this opportunity. It means don't let it go.
So when something good comes your way, grab it.
Hey guys, this one is super common. Try using it. Go to the comments and write a sentence with opportunity.
Your turn. Say the lines with us.
Did you hear? There's a free English course at the library.
Wow, really? That's an amazing opportunity. I'll sign up today. My friend asked me to work at his cafe this summer.
That sounds like a fun opportunity. Are you going to do it?
Well done. Let's keep going, guys. Now let's talk about look after.
This one is so useful.
When you look after someone or something, you take care of them. You make sure they are safe and okay.
Remember the story? Lisa will look after the front desk and help guests at the hotel.
Right. You can also say, "Can you look after my dog this weekend?"
So it's about caring for someone or something. Okay, everyone, this phrase is everywhere in English. Write a sentence with it in the comments. We'll check them out. Shadow time. Repeat everything you hear.
I'm going away for 2 days. Can you look after my cat?
Of course, I love your cat. Don't worry about anything. My grandmother is at home alone today.
Oh, do you want to go and look after her? I can drive you.
Awesome. Next one, guys. Let's check out brave.
I love this word. When you are brave, you do something even when you feel scared.
Exactly. Maybe you are afraid, but you do it anyway.
Like Tom said to Lisa, you are brave. You can talk to new people easily.
Being brave doesn't mean no fear. It means you act with fear.
That's right, guys. Speaking English in front of people, that's brave. All right, one more dialogue. This time, try to speak with us. Yes, just listen and follow along. I heard you talked to the manager about the problem. That was really brave.
Thanks. I was so scared, but I did it anyway. My little sister started swimming lessons yesterday.
Wow, really? She's only 5. That's so brave. Nice job. One more coming up. This one is super common. Prepare.
When you prepare, you get ready for something. You do things before it happens.
Like Lisa. She wanted to prepare well for her interview. She studied, she picked her clothes.
Exactly. You can prepare for an exam, prepare dinner, prepare a meeting.
So it means you plan and get everything ready.
Okay, now listen and repeat with us.
What are you doing tonight?
I need to prepare for my presentation tomorrow. I have a lot to do.
Are you coming to the party?
Yes, but I need an hour to prepare. I haven't picked my dress yet.
Great. Ready for the next one?
Ready for a new one? It's a piece of cake.
Cake. Are we talking about food, Jack?
No, when something is a piece of cake, it means it's very easy.
Oh, like Tom said to Lisa, the interview will be a piece of cake for you.
Right. He meant, don't worry, it will be easy for you.
So next time something is easy, you can say, that was a piece of cake. Guys, you'll use this one every day. Go to the comments and practice. Write your own sentence with this phrase. Your turn. Say the lines with us.
How was the math test?
Oh, it was a piece of cake. I finished in 20 minutes. Can you help me move this table?
Sure, that's a piece of cake. It's not heavy at all.
Well done. Let's keep going, guys.
Okay, time for first impressions. This is a good one. A first impression is what people think about you when they meet you for the first time.
So the way you look, the way you talk, the way you smile?
Yes, Tom told Lisa first impressions are important. He meant she should look nice and be polite at the interview.
Because you only get one chance to make a first impression.
Now it's your turn. Listen and say the lines with us. Don't be shy. Say it out loud.
I'm meeting my boyfriend's parents tonight. I'm so stressed.
Just be yourself and smile. First impressions are all about being warm and friendly. How was the new teacher?
She was great. She smiled and learned everyone's name. She made a really good first impression.
Awesome. Next one, guys. Guess what's next? Promise.
When you promise something, you say you will definitely do it. People trust you.
Like Tom said, promise me you will call me after the interview.
And Lisa said, I promise. That means she will do it for sure.
Right. A promise is serious. When you give your word, you keep it.
All right, one more dialogue. This time, try to speak with us. Yes, just listen and follow along. I'm going to study every day this month.
Really? Do you promise? Because you said that last month too. Hey, I'll pick you up at 8. Don't be late.
I promise. I'll be ready on time. Well, I'll try. Amazing job, everyone!
Now let's go back to Lisa and Tom. Remember, Lisa had her interview today. Let's hear what happened.
Lisa, how was the interview? Tell me everything.
Tom, it was amazing.
I think it went very well.
Really? I want to hear all the details.
Okay. First, the office was very clean and beautiful. The manager was a nice woman.
Were you nervous?
A little, but I was brave. I smiled and said hello.
Good girl. What did she ask you?
She asked about my old job. I said I love to look after people and help them.
Did you remember everything?
Yes, I listened carefully to every question. Then I answered slowly.
Was it difficult?
No, it was a piece of cake. I was so happy.
That is great news. And the opportunity, is it still open?
Yes, she said she will call me on Monday.
Wonderful. Did she like you?
I think so. She smiled a lot, and she said my English is good.
Of course it is. You prepare for every conversation.
That is true. Last night, I read about the hotel for 2 hours.
Smart girl. So, are you feeling better now? Yesterday, you were under the weather.
Much better. The good news made me strong again.
I am so happy for you, Lisa.
Thank you, Tom. You helped me a lot. You are a good friend.
And you kept your promise. You called me.
Of course. I always keep my promise to good friends.
Let's go for coffee on Monday to celebrate the new job.
Perfect plan. See you Monday.
Good luck, Lisa.
Amazing job, everyone.
You learned 10 new words and phrases today. Great work!
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.